Guys, today we're taking a look at a portable wireless charging solution. Meet the CloudyPow 3-in-1 wireless charging solution for Apple devices. Now, this tiny powerhouse can juice up your iPhone, AirPods and Apple Watch all at once. If you want to find out what makes this little gadget stand out from the rest, well, stick around as I'll be right back. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the 3-in-1 portable wireless charger from CloudyPow. Now, if you don't know CloudyPow, well, they make a bunch of charging tech and cables, and this 3-in-1 portable wireless charger is just the job for charging your Apple Watch, phone and AirPods all at the same time. Now, before we get into it guys, CloudyPow sent me this 3-in-1 wireless charger to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. First off guys, open up the box and we've got some instructions. We've got a USB-C to USB-C cable so you can power this bad boy up. No power brick in here, but let's face it, you know what? We've all got tons of those. And then guys, you get the charger itself. Now, the first thing that strikes me is how compact this is and how easily it fits in the palm of my hand. The design is sleek, minimalist, and perfect for those of you that appreciate clean aesthetics. Now guys, let's get this set up and see how it works. Now, I'm going to unfold this charger, which is pretty straightforward. Now remember, this kind of has a main pad, which can go up and down, and you've got the main pad here for your phone, you've got the charging pad here for your AirPods, and if we slip this out, you've got the watch pad, which kind of clicks in there. No, it doesn't. It clicks in that side. That's your charging side, and you can pop your watch on there. So like I said, placing the phone now onto the pad, and you can see it starts charging immediately. Next up, I'm going to put my smartwatch on its designated spot. Again, it starts charging right away. And finally guys, let's add the wireless earbuds, and there we have it, all three devices charging at once. Now, one of the coolest features of this charger it's got to be its flexibility. You know, you can take your phone and you can rotate it any which way you like, which means you can watch videos or look at stuff in portrait mode or in landscape mode whilst your phone is getting juiced up, and that is pretty neat. You know what? It's perfect for catching up on your favorite shows and all of that kind of stuff and keeping your phone on charge. Now, another neat trick is you can fold it up and attach it to the back of your phone, and it kind of turns into this compact cube that acts as a bit of a phone stand. So if I just take that off, slide that back in there, pop that on there, and this thing is going to unfold and you can kind of use it as a stand, and that is perfect for gaming or hands-free video calls or whatever you like where you don't want to hold your phone. And let's talk about portability. You know what? When folded, this charger is incredibly compact. It slips into a pocket or a bag, making it ideal for travel. No more packing multiple chargers and dealing with tangled cords. And you know what guys, safety is always a concern with chargers, but CloudyPow has got you covered. This charger comes with built-in protection against overcharging, overvoltage and overcurrent. You can charge your devices overnight or even when you're out without having to worry about any damage. And another thing to know is while this charger is also great for Apple devices, well, you know what? You can also charge other Qi devices. So whether you're an iPhone fan or an Android fan, this charger has got you covered. Now guys, let's talk about build quality. You know, this charger feels sturdy and well made. The folding mechanism is smooth and doesn't feel like it's going to wear out very quickly. And you know, you've got that kind of ratchet system as well, which, you know what, all feels very premium. And with the soft touch feel on the pads, you know what, nothing is going to slip off, and I like that. I also like the way that this watch charger is tucked in the outside here, making it even more compact and great to travel with. And it has become my go-to travel charger, reducing the amount of cables that I need to pack. So guys, there you have it. This CloudyPow 3-in-1 charger is compact, versatile, and does exactly what it says. While it might not be the fastest charger out there, because you know what, wireless chargers aren't, the convenience factor is hard to beat. If you're somebody that packs multiple devices and values a clutter-free charging solution, then this could be a great option for you. And at the time of this video going live, you can grab one of these for around £48, which is a bargain. I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to CloudyPow for sending me this cool 3-in-1 wireless charger to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.